You are standing in the phone aisle looking at three devices that look almost exactly the same. One is the budget pick. One is the standard choice. The last one is the pro powerhouse. Your brain tells you to go for the most expensive one if you want the best life. That logic is a total lie this year. Most people are about to overpay for features that will actually make their daily experience worse. Let's talk about the battery life first because it is the real star of the show. The standard and the high-end models pack a massive 7,000 milliamp hour battery. That is enough juice to last 2 full days for most people. Even the budget version has a 6,000 milliamp hour cell. That is still better than almost every other flagship on the market. But here is the secret nobody is telling you. The most expensive model actually has worse battery life for your typical daily routine. It uses a high-performance processor that is built for extreme gaming. That chip is a power hog. It draws way more energy just to do basic tasks like checking your messages. The middle tier phone uses a more efficient chip. It stays cool and keeps going long after the Pro model has hit the red zone. Unless you are playing heady games for hours every single day, the expensive one is a downgrade in endurance. Then we have the cameras. This is where the budget version really shows its flaws. It has a 5 megapixel ultra-wide lens. That is a joke for a modern phone. Your photos will look blurry and dated. It feels like a component from many years ago. The middle model bumps that up to a much sharper 12 megapixel sensor. It also adds full water resistance. You can drop it in a pool and it will be fine. On the outside, the middle model and the Pro version are identical. They have the same fast refresh, vibrant display and the same body. The Pro version adds a specialized 50 megapixel zoom lens and wireless charging. Do you really need to zoom in on a building 3 blocks away? Most people just want a clear shot of their friends or their dinner. You are paying a huge premium for a camera feature you might never use. The middle tier phone hits the perfect balance. It has the great main camera and the water protection. It has the best battery life of the entire group. It feels like the smart choice for anyone who actually uses their phone for real life. The budget version is okay if you really need to save money, but that weak camera is a huge trade-off. The Pro version is only for the tiny group of people who live from mobile gaming or high-end zoom photography. For everyone else, the middle option is the king. It is rare to see a company make their mid-range device so much more practical than their flagship. Don't fall for the hype of the highest price tag. The real winner is sitting right there in the center of the lineup, waiting for someone to notice its true value. It offers the most reliable experience for a much better price. It is time to stop buying into the idea that more expensive always means better. You deserve a device that actually lasts through the weekend. The tech industry loves to sell us on big numbers, but the middle child here proves that balance is what actually matters. Pick the one that fits your life.